guys. Haley was telling me that you had some trouble with number 2 when you guys were reviewing together. So let me just go over that. Guys, look at the denominators, okay? I'm going to multiply by the least common denominator, which would be 24x and x plus 5. Okay, so that's the common denominator. I'm going to multiply that by the entire expression, or the entire equation, okay? So, and again, I do have this on, written out on Schoology. I have the key posted if you want to look at it there as well. Okay? When you multiply the common denominator by each of these terms, think about what crosses out, okay? What crosses out first, when I multiply this times 1 over x, the x's cancel, right? X and this x. I don't want to, okay? So then I have, what do I have left? 24 times x plus 5 times the 1 in the numerator. I don't have to write times 1. Plus, now I'm going to do this second multiplication, and the x plus 5s will cancel out. So I have the 24x times the x minus 2 in the numerator. Now I'm going to do the last multiplication, and this time the 24's cancel out, and I have x times x plus 5, and I also have that times an 11. Okay, I'm going to put that first. 11x times x plus 5. Okay? All right, and now it's just kind of some distribution. All right, I'm going to have 24x plus 24 times 5 plus 24x times x is 24x squared minus 24x times 2 is 48x. Now let's take 11x times x. We get 11x squared. And 11x times 5 is 55x. Sorry, I don't have my pen with me, so I'm writing with my finger. Okay. Let's get all our x squareds on one side, and actually, let's get everything on one side and 0 on the other. It's a quadratic. So I have 24x squared minus the 11x squared. That's 13x squared. Okay, I subtracted 11x squared over here. How many x's do I have? I have 24 minus 48. That's negative 24. And then I'm going to also subtract this 55x over there. So I have negative 24 minus 55. That's negative 79x. And then I have my plus 120 equals 0. You can certainly use the quadratic formula if you'd like. It does factor nicely, though. 13x times x will give me 13x squared. And 40 times 3 gives me 120. Of course, they're both negative. All right, so now I can notice that my outer is 39, negative 39x minus 40x gives me my negative 79x in the middle. So I have 13x minus 40 equals 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. So this would be x equals 40 over 13, and this would be, oh goodness, x equals 3. I guess that's it. Yeah, neither of those gives me 0 on the denominator, just double checking. Okay, so there's number 2. Hopefully you got the rest okay. I'm excited. Oh, I'm nervous too. I know you are too. But I sent you all your emails with what you need. You're fine. You're going to be great. You know this stuff. Look over it one more time tonight, okay, before you go to bed. It'll just like soak in. And then I'll see you tomorrow for the final. Okay? All right. Bye, guys.